James, thank you. Florida's COVID-19 vaccine age requirement is lowering again.
Governor Ron DeSantis at the state capitol today said the age limit will be lowered now again to 50. That beginning Monday. He does hope to have the vaccine available, he said, to all adults before May 1st. The governor said he believes the demand for the vaccine will increase as the age requirement changes, but he said he does not believe that the state will be overwhelmed.
So we feel confident going to a 50 plus makes a lot of sense right now. And I think that the demand will obviously increase in terms of people that are looking to get vaccine, but I don't think it's going to be anything that's going to overwhelm.
Since Florida started vaccinating residents, Palm Beach County has led the way, treating nearly 75% of its senior population.
Tonight, doctors are reacting to the governor's announcement, calling it a positive development. And WPTV News Channel 5's Ryan Hughes explains what it could mean in the weeks and months ahead for many businesses and employees who right now are working from home.
1 year ago, Michael Westheimer turned his home into his new office. The litigation attorney at Jed Lawyers in Boca Raton and about 50 other colleagues were forced into a new routine at the beginning of the pandemic.
Ultimately, we thought it was going to be for a couple weeks, which turned into a couple months, which turned into now over a year.
But Friday, Governor Ron DeSantis announced he's lowering the eligibility for a COVID-19 vaccine to people 50 and older starting Monday, and likely opening it up to all adults by May 1st. With the vaccine becoming more available, some companies are now starting to consider a plan on bringing employees back into the building.
We're definitely in the early stages of the discussion of bringing people back in. It's definitely something that has been talked about and will continue to be talked about.
Dr. David Dotson.
It's certainly safer if everyone in your office is vaccinated.
Is an infectious disease specialist at Good Samaritan Hospital. He says cases and hospitalizations are trending down. And as more people get vaccinated, a timeline on returning to the office could be pushed up a bit.
If offices can reach a point where at least most of their people are vaccinated, that'll be comforting.
But Dotson warns the virus is becoming more contagious with new strains and variants still spreading and wants to see numbers continue to go down.
The one thing that we're worried about is we're starting to see pauses in the decrease.
Michael tells us no date has been set for a return to the firm, but he knows another change in the routine could be coming.
I've gotten kind of, used to being able to be home longer and have more time with the family. So it's definitely going to be an adjustment.
Dr. Dotson adds with the vaccine supply ramping up, opening up the eligibility to all adults by May 1st is doable. He says the goal is to get as many people vaccinated as soon as possible. In Palm Beach County, Ryan Hughes, WPTV News Channel 5.